Welcome to YouTube Marketing. And why you need to use it. With over 1 billion users, and over 30 million people watching videos each day, why would you not use video for marketing? Did you know that over 5 billion videos are being viewed on a daily basis? Over 80% of people, ages 18 to 49, regularly watch YouTube videos. That's more people watching YouTube than the 4 major networks combined. This is incredible. When you combine YouTube videos along with your email marketing campaign, your email click-through rate is an astounding 96% higher. In a moment, I am going to show you why 87% of online marketers use video content, and why video drives an astronomical 157% increase in organic traffic. Please, stay with me.
Established in 2005, YouTube is one of the first global social networks around, and its relevance continues to do nothing but grow. The video content posted, viewed, and shared on YouTube can be watched on desktops, laptops, notebooks, smartphones, and now smart TVs, any time of day or night. YouTube attracts a larger range of demographics across all ages, hobbies, interests, and careers than any other social media platform. And YouTube videos can generate high search engine page ranking. And of course, the most obvious benefit is that the combined audio and visual aspects of video content will make your message much more memorable than plain textual content. As the demand for quality video content increases, YouTube continues to gain more subscribers. Let's have a closer look at the statistics to gain a better idea of the benefits of creating an organic video marketing strategy. Worldwide, YouTube has over 1 billion users. Yes, a billion. And a whopping 30 million of them watch videos every day. An astounding 5 billion videos are viewed each day, totaling in over 500 million hours of daily viewing. Over 300,000 new videos are uploaded daily. 80% of people ages 18 to 49 regularly watch YouTube videos. Over 50% of YouTube videos are viewed on mobile devices. The average mobile viewing session lasts 40 minutes. So there's an amazing opportunity to connect with your audience there. 38% of users are female and 62% are male. So clearly the general stats and demographics are there. And by themselves, they justify using YouTube as a marketing channel. But the marketing-related stats are even more compelling. Today, around 87% of online marketers use video content. 1/3 of all online activity is watching videos. 92% of mobile video viewers share the content that they watch. And when given the choice, 59% of executives will choose video content over written articles. Video drives a 157% increase in organic traffic from search engine result pages, or SERPs. The click-through rate of email with videos is 96% higher. Content retention increases from 10% to 95% when comparing video to text. Users spend 88% longer on websites with video. Blog posts with video attract 3 times more inbound links. Adding video to ads increases engagement by 22%, and 85% of businesses have in-house staff who curate their video content, which shows you how important all your competitors think video marketing is. That pretty much settles it. You obviously need to be marketing on YouTube. Next up, we'll talk about establishing YouTube marketing goals.
In the next video, I'm going to show you why you need to have video marketing goals. I am creating more videos on a daily basis to help you market your product or service. I am constantly reviewing the very best products. To get these training videos, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you then.